This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and access. Check the extender has a LAN port, power it up, and update firmware if available. Next, grab a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable, keep it under 100 meters to avoid speed loss. Plug one end into the router's LAN port and the other into the extender's Ethernet port. Once done, position the devices close enough to maintain a strong link while you finish configuration. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password on hand. Now configure the extender to use the Ethernet connection. You log into the extender's web UI or mobile app with admin credentials and locate network or operation mode settings. Change the mode to access point or Ethernet backhaul so wired input becomes the primary uplink. Once changed, set either DHCP or a static IP in the router subnet. This prevents IP conflicts and keeps devices reachable. Save and apply settings. Make sure wireless SSID and security. Finish by reconnecting your devices to the extender's Wi-Fi or directly to its LAN ports for wired clients. Test throughput and latency to confirm the Ethernet backhaul gives near router performance. Use simple speed tests and try a file transfer for practical proof. Once satisfied, reposition the extender where coverage is optimal, not blocking vents. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Check the Ethernet cable and LED link lights first, then confirm the extender is set to access point or Ethernet backhaul and within the router's subnet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.